Hi and welcome to the butterfly tutorial. So in this tutorial we're going to do this beautiful butterfly with some alcohol in colors. We are going to look at a different technique for doing a bit of a background, which is a etching technique. It is a technique that I saw on Facebook from a lady called Electra. She has a Facebook page called Electra's Designs, and she does this beautiful etching technique on all of her designs. It's absolutely stunning. So we're going to do that etching technique on our butterfly background. We're going to do a very similar background around the butterfly that we did around the bumblebee. And then again, we're going to look at working with different layers, combining different techniques to achieve different designs. Then we're going to do a bit of copper patina and a bit of black patina. So the copper patina we'll do on the leaves on our frame, and the black patina we're going to do in the center of the butterfly and in the surrounding circle. So if we look at the tools and the materials that we need for this workshop. So you will need your printed design. So I'm doing this design on a 32 by 32 centimeter canvas. So I've got roughly here a 33 centimeter circle of pewter cut out. I've got my printed design stuck to it, so this one is ready for tracing. But before I start tracing, let's have a look at the different materials that we need. So we need our semi-soft surface, which is our lino. We need our hard surface, which is our tile or piece of glass, and then we need our soft surface, which is our layers of felt. If we look at the different tools, we're going to start with the pen to trace our design onto the pewter. Then we're going to work with the three basic tools: the 0.5 millimeter ball tool, the paper stump, a flat skew tip Teflon tool, a sharp Teflon tool tip, and then at the end we're going to need a dry point needle to cut. You also need a pair of scissors for cutting your pewter and your design, a dropper for using with the beeswax. You need your wax spot for heating up your beeswax, and then we need all our different liquids. So we're going to need some copper patina, some black patina, some polish, this is a metal polish, a cleaner to clean our pewter, and then a lubricant as well to lubricate our pewter when working with the metal tools. I also then use a big Teflon roller to flatten my pewter after I've traced my design, but this is not an absolute must. You can just use your hands and flatten your pewter by hand as well. A bit of masking tape is always useful for sticking your design to your pewter before you trace. That way your design stays in the same place and you don't end up with double lines. So I'm going to get started with tracing my design in the next video.